Welcome to Question and Answer on File and Folder. This video is designed for Computer Class 3 students. Get ready to learn and test your knowledge about files and folders on the computer. Let's begin with today's agenda. We will go through questions and answers related to files and folders, discuss definitions, shortcut keys, and differences. We will also practice short answers and match the columns. Let's start with some multiple choice questions. Question 1. A blank is a location on a storage device that is capable of storing and reading information. Your options are A. File, B. Folder, C. Drive, D. Subfolder. The correct answer is C. Drive. Question 2. A folder helps us to blank. Your options are A. Store the files, B. Group the similar files together, C. Locate the files easily, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Next questions. Question 3. The main folder is called the blank. Your options: A. Parent folder, B. Subfolder, C. Important folder, D. Folder 1. The correct answer is A. Parent folder. Question 4. If you have wrongly named a file or folder or made a spelling mistake while typing the name, you can blank. A. Reset, B. Rename, C. Rechanged, D. Recreate. The correct answer is B. Rename. Let's continue. Question 5. Which icon represents a folder on the computer? A. A trash can, B. A yellow rectangle, C. A triangle, D. A keyboard. The correct answer is B. A yellow rectangle. Question 6. Where can we find files and folders in a computer? Or what helps you find and open files on a computer? A. Paint, B. Calculator, C. File Explorer or My Computer, D. Camera. The correct answer is C. File Explorer or My Computer. Next questions. Question 7. Which of the following can be saved in a file? A. A drawing, B. A song, C. A story, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Question 8. Which of these is an example of a file name? A. Computer, B. Picture, JPJ, C. Folder, D. Desktop. The correct answer is B. Picture, JPJ. Let's move on. Question 9. What do we call a folder inside another folder? A. Subfolder, B. Superfolder, C. File, D. Box. The correct answer is A. Subfolder. Question 10. Which of these is not a file type? A. Doc, B. MP3, C. PNG, D. Yellow. The correct answer is D. Yellow. Here are more questions. Question 11. Which key helps you delete a file or folder? A. Enter, B. Delete, C. Spacebar, D. Shift. The correct answer is B. Delete. Question 12. A group of files is stored in a blank? A. Picture, B. Keyboard, C. Screen, D. Folder. The correct answer is D. Folder. Now, let's try fill-in-the-blank questions. The location where we save our files is called a blank. Answer: folder. A folder created inside another folder is called a blank. Answer: subfolder. The blank key helps us select files that are not next to each other. Answer: Control. Blank is used to view files and folders on the computer. Answer: File Explorer. Deleted files are stored in the blank. Answer: Recycle bin. Let's check your understanding with some true or false statements. Two files with the same name cannot be stored in one folder. Answer: True. A folder cannot contain another folder. Answer: False. Names of files and folders can be changed. Answer: True. We save a file because we will not need it again. Answer: False. Deleted files go to the recycle bin. Answer: True. Now, match the columns. 1. JPEG is an image file. 2. TXT is a text file. 3. MP4 is a video file. Let's go over some definitions. A file is an object used to store information such as text, pictures, sound, or video. A folder is a storage location used to store and manage multiple files. A subfolder is a folder created inside another folder. File Explorer is an application used to view, explore, and manage files and folders on a computer. Here are some important shortcut keys. Create new folder, Ctrl+Shift+N. Copy, Ctrl+C. Paste, Ctrl+V. Cut, Ctrl+X. Rename, F2. Select all, Ctrl+A. Delete permanently, Shift+Delete. Let's answer some short questions. What is a file? A file is a collection of information stored on a computer. What is a folder? A folder is a container used to store and organize files. What happens when a file is deleted? It goes to the recycle bin. How do selected files appear on the screen? They appear highlighted. Why do we need folders and subfolders? Folders and subfolders help us organize files neatly and keep related files together. For example, Computer, Grade 3, Chapter 1. More short answers. You deleted a file by mistake. Can you recover it? Yes. Open the recycle bin and click Restore. Why should we give meaningful names to files and folders? Meaningful names help us identify the contents easily without opening them. How do you create a new folder? Steps. 1. Right-click on a blank area. 2. Select New Folder. 3. Type a name and press Enter. Tara moved a document by mistake. What is the easiest way to move it back? Press Ctrl and Z to undo. Here are more steps and explanations. How do you rename a file or folder? 1. Right-click the file or folder. 2. Select Rename. 3. Type a new name and press Enter. What is the purpose of the recycle bin? When a file or folder is deleted, it goes to the recycle bin. How do you open a file? Double-click on the file icon to open it. What is File Explorer? It is an application used to view, explore, and manage all files and folders on the computer. Let's observe the folder and file structure and answer the questions. Name the subfolder of the Pictures folder, Camera Roll, and Saved Pictures. Name the parent folder of the AnyDesk folder, Videos. Name the parent folder of Documents folder, This PC. True or false? If user deletes folder Pictures, subfolders will be moved under This PC. False. True or false? Subfolders will be deleted with the parent folder. True. Now, let's learn about the differences. Copying. We can use the copy option to make multiple copies of a file without deleting it from its original location. The original file remains, and multiple copies can be made. Moving. We can use the moving option to remove a file from one location and paste it into another. The file changes location, and only one file exists. Difference between file and folder. A file stores actual data like text or images and has an icon based on the program. You cannot put a folder inside a file. A folder stores files and other folders, usually looks like a yellow Office folder, and you can put many files inside a folder. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video for more educational content on computers.